Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm here with puppy Rowan. I've been really loving these Rainbow High dolls, and this is already my second to last doll to complete the main 6 girls. If you like these type of videos and you want to see more of my dolls, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Poppy comes in this gorgeous box that's very similar to the other boxes we've seen for the other girls from the first wave, with her second outfit on display and a very clear look at the doll itself. I picked this doll up in my local Dutch toy store Intertoys, which I really liked because it gave me a good chance to check out which face I like best. The back of the box is the same as the other girls as well, which says Rainbow High on the top. It shows the 6 rainbow girls in their rainbow colors with Poppy in orange. And on the bottom it says Welcome to Rainbow High, the boldly colorful fashion school where everyone learns to flaunt their true colors. On the bottom of the box, we have this halfway color match that we have seen in my previous reviews before, where the colors for Sunny, Poppy and Ruby match, and then Violet is in pink, Skylar is purple, and Jade is in blue. To unbox this doll, I cut the tape on the sides, top and bottom, which allows you to open these boxes quite easily. You can simply fold open the back of the box to take out the separate cardboard with the doll and the extra box with the second outfit as well. It took me about 4 reviews, but I feel like I finally got these boxes down. As always, on the back of that second outfit, you'll find the doll stand in the character's main color. So for Poppy, that's orange. It also comes with some clothing hangers that are perfect to use on the clothing rack that came with the Avery Styles Fashion Studio. I posted my review for that set last week, so I added the info card in the top right, so you can go and watch that video too. And then we have that second outfit. I really love this peachy orange cropped hoodie that says rainbow in the front in golden letters and has a rainbow stripe as well. And it also has that string detail that I really love. On the sleeves it has these white stripes that say rainbow, and her arm cuffs are really cool as well. These make the sweater look so comfortable and really realistic. The doll sweater also has this fake hood that's pretty much a strip of fabric that velcros on the top. This helps with dressing the doll, so this piece is really easy to put on, and it will look really realistic as well. I'll show you how this piece works once the doll is unboxed. Poppy also comes with this leather type orange skirt that has yellow stitching and this slit that's held together with black and white laces. What I think is really cool is that these are actually functional, so you could remove them and replace them with another color lace if you wanted to. This skirt velcros in the back for easy dressing. Another thing I really appreciate about this skirt is that it has these loops to put a belt through. And some of the other rainbow dolls have come with belts, so that makes it a lot of fun to put all those different pieces together. Then the shoes she comes with are so cool and have these amazing butterfly heels with orange soles, a clear strap and a black ankle band. And it's styled with these golden socks that are separate pieces. Those shoes were really a sneak peek of the theme of the doll, because Poppy has quite some other butterfly themed accessories, which I'll get to in a bit. For Poppy, like most of the other dolls, her front curls were really gelled in place with a lot of product. The rest of Poppy's hair does feel really nice and soft, and I'm loving the color combination of this hair. because there's quite a lot of pink in this hair too, which matches her outfit very well, because that has several shades of orange and that peachy color. And the hair does match my pink sweater pretty well too, which I wore especially for this review. You can see that there are some pink highlights in her part too, which gives the hair a really nice blended look. Poppy's wearing 2 butterflies in her hair that are stuck in her head, and a couple of you have warned me to be very careful when removing them, since some people did break these butterfly clips when trying to undo these from Poppy's head. So for now, I'm keeping that in, but I will show you how I take these out when I'm washing the hair later in this video. The doll has a stunning face with some light brown eyebrows, her pink and gold makeup with a nice sparkle, her gorgeous blue and purple inset eyes that have the actual lashes like the other dolls. Poppy, I think, is the first and only rainbow high doll so far to have freckles, which I think looks really cute. Her lips are a really nice and subtle pink tone. Poppy is not wearing any earrings, so her ears are not pierced either. The outfit the doll is wearing is made out of a lot of separate pieces, which is perfect for creating your own ideal outfit on this doll. For Poppy, I feel like she has one of the most different type of pieces, going from casual to chic to really sexy, which gives you so many different options. Poppy is wearing this puffer jacket that is quite a stiff and plastic feeling material. I do really like the look of this, but especially comparing it to Jade's puffer jacket, that one felt a lot softer. I do really like this piece though, with that zipper detail and very nice finish. But I think I would pair it with a more casual look, maybe some jeans and a t-shirt. Then she's also wearing this top piece that looks quite similar to the leathery tops we've seen on Ruby and Sunny. And it's a dark orange with yellow stitching that's a perfect match with the skirt she came with. Underneath this top comes the perfect surprise of this doll, which is this stunning, really simple peach color dress that matches her hair color perfectly. Poppy finishes off the look with these boots that say for flying and have this butterfly print on them as well to tie in with the whole butterfly aesthetic. Taking these boots off is pretty easy, so that's very nice as well. The doll has the same articulation as the other rainbow high dolls we've seen so far, with movement at the head from side to side, but they can't tilt their head up and down. Then she has movement at the shoulders, elbows, wrists, hip, upper leg, and knee. These dolls do have the pointed feet for wearing their high heels. Then as promised, I am also showing you how this sweater works. At the beginning, you can simply slide the sweater on, and for this, I really want to know how you dress these dolls. Do you remove their hands, or do you keep them on their arms? Because it doesn't really say anything about this in any instructions, I'm always a bit hesitant to take them off, but on some occasions I do prefer to dress them without their hands on. Definitely let me know in the comments how you handle their hands, because I'm really curious. For the sweater, you can attach the Velcro in the back, and then you can simply close the hood in the back as well, which makes a very realistic look. To be honest, I was hoping for Poppy to be able to wear that hood on her head as well, but since these hats are pretty big, it does make sense that it didn't fit. But maybe on other dolls this could work. Then I dressed her in an outfit I don't mind getting wet, and take out her hair elastics. I do leave the butterfly clips in at the beginning, because I'm gonna take them out trying to keep them in one piece. I simply start rinsing the hair in cold water to loosen up the gel in the hair. When I feel like that worked well enough, I start combing the hair out, starting from the bottom and working my way up until all the hair is nice and smooth. Now I section the hair away from these butterfly clips to create space for myself and keep everything neat. For this, I pulled the hairline to the front so it doesn't get tangled in the clips. To try and soften the plastic of the head, I keep it under warm water for a bit and then carefully pull on the base of the butterfly. This made the bag come out of the head just a little bit, but it was still stuck in there very well. I carefully kept moving the clip and pulling on it until it came out. As you can see, it is in there with this bag that's a lot thicker for the area that's inside the head. So if you're not aware of this, I can definitely imagine it will break when you try to remove it. For the second one, I reheated the head and wiggled the clip a lot more, which made it come out so much easier. Then with the clips out of the way, I'm gonna continue washing the hair like I normally do. Rinsing out all of the product from the hair, brushing it out, adding my trusted hair conditioner, and massage that in very well. And then brush it through the hair before rinsing that out as well. After curling the hair and letting that dry, just look how pretty that hair color looks. Then as you can see, I was also able to put back those butterfly clips, but before doing that, I altered them to make sure they wouldn't get stuck inside the head again. For this, I simply cut down that part of the bag that stuck out to make sure it would be stable enough to stay in really well, but not big enough to really get stuck inside the head. As you can see, this made the accessory really nicely reusable. And then to really get ready for all the photo shoots with Poppy, I met up with my sister and we created a really fun background using Arteza watercolor paint. If you want to see a video about that and how we created this awesome background, make sure to stay tuned and turn on your notifications for that video as well. I really hope you liked this video and love the doll as much as I do. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave a comment down below telling me which piece of the outfit of Poppy Rowan is your favorite. Mine has to be the sweater and the butterfly heels and clips. To see more of my rainbow high dolls, check me out on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!